guys, arachnophobia warning ahead, because something amazing has happened here inside of Dahlia, Winter, Halleck's, and Jarrett's enclosure. Are you ready? So, if we look up to the top corner of their enclosure, we have two huge, beautiful, I believe they're garden orb weaver webs. Trying to get the camera to focus on them. These are pretty large spiders. They are not venomous. They're not dangerous to the foxes at all. But do you see this double set of webs? And they are helping us keep the flies down. As you can see, I'm not sure if you can make it out very well, but these guys have quite a few flies they've caught in their webs, and we do have a little bit of trouble keeping flies down because we are constantly cleaning up poop and have compost buckets around and things like that. So as creepy as these guys may be, they are a huge asset to our sanctuary. Oh, a new fly just landed in that web. Oh my god. Ah, how awesome. So that spider just caught a fly, wrapped it up, and brought it into the center of its web. How freaking cool. Oh my gosh, I wish this would focus better. It wants to focus on the one in the background instead for some reason. There it goes. Oh. I'm afraid to get too close, honestly. So the spider is actually feeding on that fly that it just caught. This is nature at work, guys. This is nature in harmony with our fox sanctuary. I make a lot of efforts here to cause the least damage to nature as we possibly can, and working with nature instead of against it is just part of my mission here at Clevyrr Creatures. A lot of people would destroy these webs, would even kill these spiders just for existing, and these spiders are completely harmless. They are not going to hurt me. They're not going to hurt the foxes. They are intimidating. They are big. But I'll tell you what, Miss Dahlia chewing on the back of my boot is far more dangerous than this spider. And she is not dangerous either. Hi, Dahlia. Poor Dahlia is shedding very rough, but we're going to help her out as much as we can. Okay, so the spider is actually gathering up some of the flies that were spread out throughout the rest of its web now. So I think that those were possibly some meals that were being saved for later. Oh, I wish it would focus better. You know, it's moments like these that really make me think of Michaela from Save a Fox. And I know that may seem strange, but she would get it. If she was still here with us, I'd be sending pictures of these spiders to her, because she respected them and appreciated them the same way I do. And I'm no spider expert, but I do believe that the front spider could be a male and the back spider could be a female, because the back one has a much larger, more pronounced abdomen. But both of these are rather large spiders, and typically the males are significantly smaller. And this spider is not significantly smaller, it's just noticeably smaller. So It might be 2 females, but I'm pretty certain, based on my basic spider knowledge, that this is a male and a female. So maybe we'll have some orb weaver spiderlings at some point to help populate our sanctuary and to help naturally keep the flies at our sanctuary in control. There we go. There's a good focus. How incredible. I am just in awe at this. It's just sitting in the back of one of our fox enclosures like nothing. What do you think, Dolly? Beautiful. Hi, Jess. And Winter. And Dahlia. And where's our little Luff? There he is. Our shy boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good girl. You look rough, girl. Yes, you do. You look rough. I wish you'd let me help. Winter's a handsome boy, though. Can I boop the Winter? Can I boop the Winter? Can I boop? Can I boop? No. Not allowed. Wow. Don't bite my phone. Hi, everybody. I gotta finish getting dinner. Yes. Bye, spiders.